Hi, welcome to LOOkX YouTube channel. In this video, I show you how to use the LOOkX Bronzer Duo Blush. The product contains two different colours, one bronzer and one blush. You can find a special applicator for applying the Bronzer Duo Blush, but in this video, I use the LOOkX Powder brush for smooth application. I first use the pink colour for the blush and I apply it on the apples of my cheeks for a healthy look. Then I choose the bronzer to contour my face and give it a nice sun-kissed look. If you like, you can also mix the two colours for your bronzer or blush. Now you've finished your fresh sun-kissed look with LOOkX Bronzer Duo Blush. Don't forget to follow LOOkX on social media for more beauty tips and tricks.